Hello student, this is the next video in a series of chapter 1 part 3. Chapter name is food and human health. In previous video we were discussed about malnutrition, their types, and because of that nutrition the disease is occurred. Now in this video we will cover about the topic water and obesity. The first one topic is water. All you know that what is water. So water is very much essential for the living things. Always without water we can't live our life. So some properties of water that we have to know. What are the properties of water? Always the first one is it should be clean, clear, odorless and colorless. So always the water should be clean, clear, odorless means there should be no smell. It is smell free, and colorless, it should be transparent. Colorless means it should be transparent. Second one is it should be free from impurities. There so many dirts are present, so always it should be free from impurities. The impurity is not present in a water. Third one is it pH should be about 7. All you know that what is pH, power of hydrogen. So this is pH is a scale by which the 7 is present there. 7 is a neutral, and below 7 is acidic, and more than 7 is a basic. Power of hydrogen scale is there by which we can know that anything is acidic or basic. So below 7 is there acidic, and more than 7 is basic. So always the pH of water should be 7. It should be neutral. Fourth point is adequate amount of oxygen should be dissolved in it. All the living cells require oxygen, so always the required amount of oxygen will be dissolved in it. Okay. Next one is disease due to drinking of impure water. So whenever any living things drink impure water, what type of diseases occur? The first one is viral disease. In viral disease means the disease caused by virus. Okay, so bacterial disease, viral disease, worm disease, all the type of diseases occur if you are drinking impure water. So viral disease, there is example is polio, typhoid, cholera, etc. Next one is worm disease. In worm disease, that is narrow disease. It is much important. From here the question is arises. So pathogen of narrow disease. Pathogen is by which the disease arises. Causing agent of narrow disease. The causing agent of narrow disease is Dracunculus medinensis. This is the scientific name by the pathogen by which narrow diseases occur. Sometimes the question is arises that name the pathogen by which narrow diseases occur, that is Dracunculus medinensis. Okay. Next is obesity. What is obesity? It is a condition when maximum fat is stored in body. It is that we can call it fat condition. Whenever the person we can see it is a fat, that means they have a obesity. It is a condition when maximum fat is stored in a body. Okay, this is obesity. So how we will know that the person is fat, or in their body the fat amount is more? There should be any calculation method is there by which we can know that the person is fat, or the fat is more than whatever the required amount is there. So by which what BMI, body mass index, by which we can determine that person have a obesity disease or not. So you have to learn this table, important table it is. Okay, so you have to learn this table, that is 18, 25 and 30. Below 18 the person is weak, means that person require more amount of fat. Below 18 the person is weak, that means they require more amount of fat. After that 18 to 25, between 18 to 25 the person is fit. Okay, if the fat amount is 18 to 25, the person is fit. Between 25 to 30, obesity under control, means little bit fat is there, it can be controlled. So 25 to 30 obesity under control. And next one is 30, more than 30, that means the person has a disease, that is obesity, means that person have maximum amount of fat stored in their body. Okay, this is body mass index by which we can know that the person have a obesity disease or not. Okay, so by how can we determine? There is a formula by which we can calculate the person have obesity or not. So what are that formula? Formula of body mass index is weight of human divided by height square. formula of BMI, that by which we can find out the fat deposition in our body, that is weight of human divided by height square. For example, some person have a height 5.4 feet. If we will change it into meter, it should be 1.65 meter. Okay, you can calculate by yourself this. Next one is weight. Okay, the weight is 75 kg. So both the thing we know, that height also and weight also. Now use the formula body mass index, that is weight of human divided by height. Weight is 75 kg, so 75 by height is 1.65 square. So it should be calculated by yourself. You can got the 27. So now you can remember the table. 27 is comes under 25, between 25 to 30. 25 to 30, that is obesity under control. Got it? How can you identify the body mass index by which we can know that the obesity is there or not? Okay, on the basis of this topic, I will give you 3 questions here. That is, first one is, write down the name of pathogenic which causes narrow disease. Second one is, what should be quality of drinkable water. And third one is, write ill effect of contaminated water. All these 3 questions is discussed in this video. Means topic is discussed in this video. So you have to write the answer of these questions and also write down the notes in your science notebook. Okay.